In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flashloop AI. To get started, open the Flashloop AI app or visit the Flashloop website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. If it's your first time using the platform, go ahead and create a new account first. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, and this is where you'll access the different tools Flashloop AI offers. From the dashboard, choose the creation tool you want to use. Depending on your project, you might select text to video, image to video, AI images, podcast, or the voice generator. The tool you choose should match the type of content you want to create. For example, if you're starting with an idea in written form, text to video is a good choice. If you already have a picture you want to animate, image to video makes more sense. Next, enter your content based on the feature you selected. You may need to type a prompt, upload an image, or paste in a script. This part matters a lot because the quality of your input often affects the quality of the result. Try to be as specific as possible. Include useful details like the subject, the setting, the visual style, the lighting, the mood, and even camera movement if that applies to your project. Clear direction usually leads to stronger output. If Flashloop gives you multiple AI models to choose from, select the one that best fits your project. Different models can produce different looks and behaviors. Some may be better for realism, while others may create a more stylized or animated result. If you're unsure, you can start with one and compare results later. After that, customize your settings. Depending on the tool, you may be able to adjust the video length, aspect ratio, resolution, voice or narration, and motion intensity or animation style. These options help you shape the final output for the platform or format you need. For example, a vertical aspect ratio works well for short-form mobile content, while widescreen is better for traditional video platforms. When everything looks good, click Generate and let Flashloop AI process your request. Keep in mind that generation time can vary depending on how complex your project is and which AI model you selected. Once your content is ready, preview it carefully, review the result, and decide whether it matches what you had in mind. If not, refine your prompt or adjust the settings and generate a better version. Finally, download your finished video, image, or audio file. After saving it, you can share it on the platform that fits your audience best, whether that's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or some